Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing recipe. Well, today we're going to see a healthy egg salad recipe that's high in protein and keto friendly, and therefore an ideal salad recipe to include in your weight loss diet plan. So let's see how to make this quick, easy, healthy, yet amazingly delicious egg salad recipe. So first I'm going to chop some lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce, which I will chop lengthwise. Try to include different kinds of lettuce, which will add a crunch to the salad and will make it more filling. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. And also I'm going to chop some green lettuce. You can of course include lettuce of your choice. Next, here I have taken 3 hard-boiled eggs. You can include eggs as per the quantity you are making. I'll cut the eggs into medium portions like this, and in the same way I'll cut the remaining eggs also and keep them aside. And now let's make a healthy salad dressing. For that I'll be using Greek yogurt, which will make the dressing creamy instead of mayonnaise. Next goes a teaspoon of mustard sauce, which really goes well with yogurt and makes the dressing flavorful. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste, around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now let's mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And our healthy and delicious salad dressing is also ready. And now time to assemble the salad. Here goes some chopped English cucumber along with the lettuce, some chopped onions, then goes the chopped boiled eggs along with some pitted sliced black olives. Now let's pour the prepared creamy salad dressing over the veggies and the eggs. And because of this amazing salad dressing, the egg salad turns out so very delicious and satisfying. And now let's mix the dressing well for at least 1 to 2 minutes until the dressing is well combined with the veggies and the eggs. Alright, mixing is done and our healthy egg salad is now ready to be served and enjoyed. And here goes our healthy and delicious egg salad that's high in protein and keto friendly, and an ideal salad recipe to include in your weight loss diet plan. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and delicious egg salad recipe. Also share your feedbacks. You can also check out my other interesting and healthy salad recipes for weight loss. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.